A lot of HVAC companies keep buying more and more leads without fixing the real problem first. And the problem usually isn't just lead volume. It's something called visibility momentum. Because over time, the HVAC companies that consistently reinforce trust on Google start getting chosen more often without needing to rely as heavily on paid leads. And I'm referring to things like review activity, responsiveness, profile engagement, trust reinforcement, staying active consistently. All these things compound over time. Meanwhile, other companies stay stuck constantly buying leads just to maintain the same volume. That's why I think HVAC companies need to stop thinking only about lead generation and start thinking more about long-term visibility momentum instead.